Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. I'm very grateful for the new members of the family who joined, and thank you so much. And if you just stopped by, please click on the subscribe button and join our family. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Change It Up Thrift Decor Challenge, and this is hosted by Nicole Northgarden. And if you haven't already been to her channel, I'll leave the link of her channel in my description box, as well as the playlist of all our participants. So after you viewed my video, please visit the next video. So we all worked hard, you guys. So today I'm planning to repurpose one of my chocolate box that I got from Dollar Tree, and this is like a Valentine's Day chocolate box. And we ate the chocolates, and this has got like a beautiful shape, and I didn't feel like throwing this out, so I'm going to repurpose this, basically upcycle this heart into something very beautiful that goes with the Valentine's Day theme. And for that I'm going to use this chocolate box and one of the flower pot, which is like farmhouse looking flower pot, and some of the flowers. This is blooming branches, and I got a couple of roses, which is in white and beige, and some pink roses. And I also got this heather, which will just help in the decor. And I also got some Spanish moss. And for dowels, I was having dowels somewhere, but I couldn't find it. So today I'm going to use chopsticks. So that is also going along with this. And I got all these items from Dollar Tree. And with all these items, I'm going to do a Valentine's Topiary. And without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the final result of my Valentine's Topiary, you guys. I'm absolutely loving this. So as you saw the process, I just used one of the chocolate box which was in heart shape, and then I stuck a beautiful Valentine pink flowers and white flowers, or beige flowers I would say, and some fillers in between. And this was one of my chopstick. I created like a stand, and this is my farmhouse looking flower pot. And then I stuffed a lot of, I actually put styrofoam inside, and then top of it I just stuffed with some of the Dollar Tree bags. And on top of it I just made like Spanish moss, stuck to it. And this is one of my necklace that heart broke from there. I thought like I would decorate it like this because it's going along with the theme. For this pink heart I just stuck two of the greeneries which was going along with the theme. That I just gave like that love is blooming out from the grass. That's the effect I want to give there. And I stuck two of the pink greeneries on either side. And this bow I created with sheer ribbon, pink color, and green burlap ribbon, and I stuck one of the flowers in the center, and I created a bow, and it's just giving decoration to my Valentine's Hearts Topiary. So yeah, this is the final result, you guys. I'm absolutely loving it, and I hope you're also enjoying as much as I did. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.